Today we learn how to make a tire for a bike. Okay, let's start. Now go to front plane and click sketch. Now choose a circle, sketch a circle on this origin point and again or another circle, just right click and select OK and choose this dimension, make it 80 millimeters, make it 80 millimeter, click enter and make this 60 millimeter, 60 millimeter, click enter. Now right click, select OK. Now go to this feature and click extrude boss, make it 10 millimeter, choose blind and just click OK. Yes. Now go to this fillet, click this fillet expert and make it 4 millimeters, make it 4 millimeter, click enter. Just select this face and select this corner, this. Now see and click OK. Now see. Now go to this shell and select this 0.5 millimeter, 0.8 millimeter, click enter and select this inner face and show preview. Now see and just click OK. Now see. Okay. Now click this top plane and click sketch. Now sketch a line from this point to this point and 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 right click, select OK. Just drag it here. Yes, click OK. Sorry, just trim this little line and click OK and drag it in this point and now again choose a line, a sketch line from this point to this point and this point to this point and this point to this point and right click, select OK and just trim this, click trim and choose power trim and trim this inner line and just select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make it 5 millimeter, make it 5 millimeter, click enter. Yes, and make it make this 0.5 millimeter, make this 0.5 millimeter, click enter. Yes, and make this 0.5 millimeter, 0.5 millimeter, click enter. Yes. Now click this smart dimension and choose this point to this point, make it 1 millimeter, make it 1 millimeter, click enter. Yes. Now again just from this point, this line to this point, make it 1 millimeter, make it 1 millimeter, click enter. Yes, Now select this origin point to this point, make it 5 millimeter. Make it 5 millimeter, click enter. Now our all dimension is defined. So now I'll go to this sketch center line, sketch a center line from this point to this point, and right click, select OK. Go to a smart dimension and assign dimension from this point to this point, make it 5 millimeter, click enter. Okay, now go to this mirror entity and entity to mirror. This is our entity to mirror. Click this on line, click this and click this line and this line and this line, and choose mirror about. This is our mirror about. Yeah, now see, and just click OK. Yes, now go to rep command and just go to this and click this sketch and choose this deboss and choose this S-line surface and choose this surface and this surface and this surface, and this depth 0.25 millimeter, and just click OK. Now see, it is depth 0.25 millimeter. Now go to this linear sketch pattern and this circular pattern and click this direction. Click this direction. This is our direction. Just direction. This is our direction, and feature and face. This is our feature and face. Now see, just we make this 25. Just I can make this more than, just I will keep it 30. Just I will keep it 30 and just click OK. Now see, it is making. It is made. Now select this face and click this appearance and click this fart and just go to this click this rubber and click this glossy rubber and see. Now click OK. Okay, this make as a tire. Yeah, now go to this new and click this make assembly and click save and insert and just click save and click yes. Now click this on this face, yes, and just go to this assembly and click this insert component and just click this browse. See, this is our rim. Just click on this rim and just click open. Now select this and just go to this mat and select this circle and select this rim. Select this rim edge and click this coincident and just click OK. Now see, Yeah, now just drag it here. Now see, drag it, and just again go to this space and click this space and make it coincident and just click OK. Now see, it is created as a complete tire with rim. Okay, thank you for watching.